Hello children, good morning. Welcome to today's session. Okay, today we are going to do the exercises related to days and months. Yesterday we discussed about days of the week and months of the year. Today we are going to do the exercises. Okay, for that you need to open your semester book. In that, open the page number 107. Chapter number 3, time. Okay. This is a calendar for 2016, Nana. Now we are going to do the exercises based on this calendar only. Okay, turn the page, Nana. Turn the page to 108. Okay, here exercise 3.1. Fill in the missing months, Nana. Here you have to write the missing months. Okay, yesterday we already discussed about months of the year. How many months are there in a year, Nana? There are 12 months in a year. Yes. How many days are there in a year? 365 days. If it is a leap year, then one day will be extra, then 366 days. Okay, if it is a leap year, then one day will be extra. 2016 is a leap year, so in 2016 total 366 days are there. Okay, now we are in 2021. 2021 is a leap year? No. 2016 after 4 years means 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2020 is a leap year, last year. Now we are in 2021. 2021 is not a leap year. So total how many days? 365 days are there in 2021. Okay. If it is a leap year, then 366 days. Okay. Okay. All the months in a year do not have the same number of days. Okay. Fill in the missing months. Okay. Here we need to write the missing months. We already learned the months of the year. Just you need to fill the missing months. January after February. February. March. April is already there. March, April. After May, April after May, May after June, July, August is there. August after September, September after October, October, November. Okay, November, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This is clear, na children? Yes? Yes. Now look at the calendar and write the number of days these months have. We already discussed, na children. January month will have how many days? January. How many days? 31 days. August month. Look at the calendar here. August month. Where is August? August will also have 31 days. Yes? 31 days. Yes? October month. October month. See October. Where is October? October is also 31. October will also 31 days. If you have any doubt, check here, Nana. Okay? 31 days. Okay? Next May. May also 31 days. Yes, check here. May, where is May? Yes, May. How many days? 31 days. March. March also 31 days. Yes, look here. March. March month is also 31 days. Next, November. November is 30 days. Yes, where is November? November is 30 days. Yes. The calendar also shows the number of weeks in a month. 7 days make a week. Name the days of the week. Nana, here you have to write the days of the week. Okay? Here you have to write. This is a practice work for you, Nana. Okay? Write down this, Nana. Next one. Okay? There are 52 weeks in a year. Remember to begin the names of the months and weeks in a capital letter while you write. Remember that. Okay? You should remember when you are writing days of the week or months of the year, write First letter should be capital letter, Nana. Okay. Next, look at the calendar for the month of October 2016 and answer the following. This is a calendar for October month, Nana. By observing these, you have to answer these questions. Okay. Now, first one. Which month is this? Yes, which month is this? October. Yes, write down here. October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. On which day does 15th October fall? On which day 15th October? See, look here. Where is 15th? 15th October means Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 15th October is Saturday. So, write down Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. What date is the second Tuesday? Second Tuesday. Okay. First Saturday, Sunday, third Monday. First Tuesday is 4th. Then second Tuesday is 11th. Okay. Then what date is 1 week after 6th October? 6th October is here. 1 week after 6th October means same this day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A week contains 7 days. Yes, 1 week after means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 week after 13th October. Okay. On which day will 30 September fall? 30 September is here. Which day? Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. On which day will 1st November fall then? This is October month, Nana. 31st October is Monday. Then 1st November is Tuesday. The next day, na, if you want, you can check here also. This is October month, Nana. This is October month calendar, na. See, 31st October is Monday. Then 1st November will be Tuesday. See, 1st November will be Tuesday. Yes? Tuesday. Okay? This calendar shows, you will see the dates. You can write this different format. Yesterday we have already discussed. Here you have to write your date of birth. Okay? Here we will be having a rhyme. This already once will read, Nana. 30 days had September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31. Except February, which stands alone. 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Okay? The next, turn the page. A leap year has how many days? 366 days. Normal year 365. If it is a leap year, 366. Okay, means why it is has 366 means February has one more extra day. Okay, 2016 is a leap year. Every 4 years there is a leap year. So which is the next leap year? If 2016 is a leap year, then leap year will comes every 4 years. The next leap year is 2020. Yes. 16, 17, 18, 19. After 20, 4 years after means, okay. 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20. 4 years. Yes. Now come here. Here one problem is here. Summer holidays for our school are from 12th April to 10th June. 12th April to 10th June. How many days is the school closed for summer? Do not count 12th April and 10th June. Means you should count from 13th April to 9th June. In between how many days you have to count. Okay. 12th April. Turn the... Where is 12th April? 12th April is here. Then you should not count 12th. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Don't count this. How many days? 58 days. Yes. How many days the school will be closed? Summer holidays for school are 12th April to 10th June. How many days is the school will be remains closed? 58 days. Yes, 58 days. Okay. Then here few questions are there. Number of days between 13th April to 30 April. 13th April to 30th April. How many days? Count. 13th April to 30th. 13th is here. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 days. 18 days are there from 13th April to 30th April. 18 days. Okay. Number of days in May. In May, how many days will be there? May month, 31 days. Number of days school is closed in June. See here, when the school reopens on 10th June. Means in June month, how many days remaining? 9 days only. Yes. June school is going to start from 10th June. So we should not count 10th because 10th is school starting. Then in June month, how many days school is closed? 9 days. Remaining how many days are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Then 10th is a school reopening day. Yes, 9 days. Total number of holidays. Just now we counted na total number of holidays. How many days is the school closed for summer? Means 58. Means total number of holidays are 58. 58 days. Yes. Yeah, remember the names or order of the days of the week. Na? By watching this, you should answer the say the days in order. Which days do you come to school? Which days do you come to school? Which days do you come to school? You have to write here, Nana. Okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Which days from the weekend? Which day do you like the best? Why? You have to give the answers for this. Which day you like the best? Sunday. Sunday is a holiday, na? Everywhere, everybody will like Sunday only. Yes, then also write why you like Sunday. Okay, this is also practice work for you, Nan. Okay, next exercise. Join each day to the day that comes after it. Okay, one I will show you. Remaining one in this I will show you. You have to do. This is a day after. Monday after Tuesday. Yes, Monday after Tuesday or not? Yes. Then Wednesday after Thursday. Friday after Saturday. Same like that only. Join each day to the day that comes before it. Sunday before Saturday. Yes, Sunday before which day comes? Saturday only, na? Thursday before? Wednesday, Thursday. Yes. Match this. Match the two. Okay, Nana? Do these exercises. Tomorrow we'll start time. Okay. Do all the exercises and read one more time days of the week and months of the year. And try to understand the calendar, Nana. How many days are there in particular month and total how many days? 365 days. In a year we'll be having 365 days. If it is a leap year 366 days, leap year. If it is not a leap year, then 365 days. Yes, 365 days. Remember this. Okay? Okay. Take care, Nana. Bye.